the Abundant Traveler, and welcome back. This is a new segment I have on my channel. It's a Q&A where you send me your travel dilemma. I share my experiences, do a little research online, and see if I can't answer your questions. The first question comes from Miss Mandy in Austin, Texas, and she writes, if I'm traveling only 1 week abroad, how many cities should I visit? When traveling abroad, I recommend staying more than 1 week. If you have the opportunity, it is best to stay 10, 12, 14 days. Remember that you're going to be traveling long haul, probably across an ocean, different time zones, and it's really hard to get acclimated if you're just staying 1 week. However, if you only have 7 days to be there, then I recommend staying in no more than 3 cities. The reason I say 3 cities is, remember, not only do you have the travel time to the destination, but you're going to have travel time in between the cities as well. You want to spend as much time in each city, get a real feel for what's going on there, and also have a little bit of downtime. So Mandy, I hope that's helpful. And we are on to question number 2, coming from Kathleen. And Kathleen is in Tamarindo, Costa Rica. And her question is, can you share the pros about staying in a hotel or staying in an Airbnb? What do you think is best? Well, Kathleen, I tend to choose hotels when I am traveling solo or I'm traveling with a big group. I find it just a little bit safer for me when I'm in a hotel when I'm traveling alone. I like the amenities, I like the staff there to answer all of my questions. If the hotel has a concierge, he can book, or she can book, my events, my tours, my restaurants, anything I need. Also, when you're in a hotel, most of the hotels throughout the world are very similar. So once you get in, you're not trying to figure out how to use a coffee maker, how to make the shower work. Hotel rooms are typically the same. Another reason I like to stay in hotels is when I'm only staying for 1 or 2 days. It's really easy and really simple for just a couple of days to have that room, just to check in, not worry about anything, not look for anything, just take care of business and just enjoy your time those 2 days. As for the pros with an Airbnb, I love staying in Airbnbs when I want to live like a local. It's also great when you're traveling with 1 or 2 friends because then you actually feel like you're at home. You sit on the couch like this, you have a glass of wine that you buy at the local wine shop, and you just enjoy your time. It's more relaxed. Finally, I like staying at Airbnbs when I am on extended stays. If I'm staying for more than 3 or 4 days, Airbnbs are a much better way to go. It's really nice to have your own space, your own vibe, and you actually could meet some neighbors instead of just other tourists. So Kathleen, thank you so much for your question. I hope that you found my thoughts helpful. If you'd like to be featured in the next video, please leave a comment below or follow me on Instagram and send me a message. Thanks so much. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you got some good information, and I'll see you the next time. Take care.